About the linked list. As we know, linked list is the main part of data structure. There are some important things with linked list. Linked list is dynamic data structure consisting of sequence of nodes where each node contains data and also a reference for the next node. Or you can also say not only reference but also having some link from previous node to next node. There are mainly three types: singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. Now for singly linked list, we can talk about the data and address. Data and address, they are connected to each other in a single line. That is called the singly. Another is doubly linked list, in which there is also another arrow from second node to first node, third node to second node. Then this is called doubly linked list. Another is circular linked list, where the end node is again connected with the first node. Then this is called the circular linked list. Okay, thank you.